Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn about how to download and install latest version of VirtualBox on Windows 11. First we open this website. The link of this website given in description. After opening this website you can see here the latest version of VirtualBox is available here. If you open this website anytime, the latest version of VirtualBox will be available here. If you want to download VirtualBox for Windows, you click on Windows host. We are downloading VirtualBox for Windows 11, so we click on Windows host. You can see here latest version of VirtualBox is downloading. After downloading the latest version of VirtualBox, we double click on downloaded setup. Now we click on yes. Now we click on next. Now we click on next. If you do not want to create a shortcut on desktop, you can uncheck this option, but I am leaving it default. Now we click on next. On some hardware, the latest version of VirtualBox show this warning, but you do not worry about this. Click on next. Click on install. Now the latest version of VirtualBox is installing on Windows 11. Now the installation is complete. Now if you do not want to open the VirtualBox, you can uncheck I want to open it, so I cannot uncheck it. Now we click on finish. Now you can see the latest version of VirtualBox is installed on Windows 11. Now you can add any operating system in VirtualBox. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you like this video, like it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.